So I'm gonna start up this 540 for you guys. It runs a little rough. I'm not sure. The stomp test revealed a 1231 code, which is lambda control 2, but it runs a little rough for just having a O2 sensor out of spec. So I'm thinking maybe a coil or an injector that's not quite doing its job. It has been sitting for a little over a year. So anywho. Runs fairly nice, but you can really see the lump when we get outside. Yeah, maybe not, but it's definitely there. Just a little bit lumpy. Yikes. But anyway, didn't buy it for that, I bought it for the 6-speed, so even if the rest of the car is complete crap, still got that.